This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the home screen layout on your Android phone. So you can see the original layout on my Samsung phone. I'm going to go to settings and scroll on down to apps. Now it's going to be a little bit different for each phone brand, but I can explain to you for Samsung and Motorola and Google Pixel. You want to look for something with UI in it or something that says launcher. So it might be easier to search for it. So on my Samsung phone, it's called One UI Home. So I can just go to this here, and here it is. And then we want to go on down to storage when we go to one of these applications. Tap this and go to clear data. So on your Motorola phone, this is called Moto Launcher. So here it is on my Google Pixel. I can go to apps, go to see all, and then just go to the top and type in launcher. And you can see I have Pixel Launcher on here. I can do the same thing under here. I can just go to storage, and then I can clear the storage, delete it, and then go back to home screen, and it should be back to the original position. So you want to go to Moto Launcher on your Motorola phone, and you should be able to find that. So just type in launcher on the top, and on my Samsung phone, I just have the Microsoft Launcher on here. But look for that option and just clear it out. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.